post on fucking MySpace?
Yes. Okay.
Because I am the original.
Yes, you are.
Are we recording? We're good?
We're all recording.
Chloroform from the OG, okay?
And what do you do if the person doesn't make that noise the first time?
Do it again until they fucking do it.
True. Can you do the pterodactyl noise?
It's gotta be the proper pterodactyl noise.
Look at that reaction.
Like my little arm? Yeah.
Say that Ed, Ed and Eddie thing.
Yeah, I'm a towel rack. I'm special. She is leaving. You got a hole in your ass. You're either wearing a thong or pink underwear.
Yeah, I do have a hole in my ass.
Alright, are we done?
Yeah.
Alright, would you like to say goodbye? Say goodbye, Marissa.
Yeah,